Hello and welcome to Zoom Review Show. Let's take a look at top 4 recommendations for the week. Let's talk about Log Out. Directed by Amit Golani, written by Biswa Pati Sarkar and produced by Kevin Vaz, Ajit Andhare, Sameer Saxena and Saurabh Khanna. Log Out is a cyber thriller that offers a reality check on our dependency on social media. The film portrays today's influencer culture through a thrilling lens, making us realize the hazards of the digital world. The story evolves around influencer Pratyusha Dua, Babul Khan and a follower Nimisha Nair who takes control of his phone and blackmails him, demanding his undivided attention in return. Meanwhile, Pratyush becomes increasingly furious and desperate, wishing to end the game, but the question arises, will he give his life for that one follower? Babul Khan is undoubtedly the star of the film. He proves that he's the son of the legendary Irfan Khan. We laughed, cried and felt anxious with him throughout the story. From expressing rage to breaking down in tears, Babul delivers every emotion with perfection. One thing is clear, he has a long way to go and he's only getting started. Rasika Duggal, on the other hand, plays the perfect elder sister. She gives it her best, but the limited screen time did not allow her character to truly shine. The film will leave you feeling anxious, angry and finally emotional, making you realize the importance of your surroundings and the danger of being too deeply invested in social media. Zoom gives Log Out 3.5 star rating. Moving on to Kesari 2. When Akshay Kumar does patriotic cinema, nobody comes close to him. Almost synonymous with the genre, the actor ignited conversations through cinema. Akshay is back with yet another nail-biting courtroom drama, Kesari Chapter 2, co-starring R. Madhavan and Ananya Pandey, exploring the aftermath of the barbarous Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In this C. Sankaran Nair biopic, the drama unfolds within the boundaries of the court. C. Sankaran Nair, Akshay Kumar, an eminent lawyer from Kerala, becomes the voice of the million voiceless who were left to die under the oppressive British watchdog General Dyer's inhuman attack at the Jallianwala Bagh. Sankaran refuses to bow down before the British rule and uses his might to seek justice for those killed in the massacre. His nemesis Neville McKinley R. Madhavan works as the guardian of the opposition. Will Sankaran succeed in winning the case? Kesari Chapter 2 reveals. Akshay Kumar is at his best. As Sankaran Nair, the actor carries an aura that's unmatched. He heavy lifts the film on his shoulders in the first half. Ananya supports him too. She holds herself well and Madhavan brings spice to the courtroom drama. Well, Zoom gives Kesari Chapter 2 3 stars rating. Well, now moving on to Odella 2. Odella 2 is a supernatural horror thriller that picks up where its predecessor Odella railway station left off. This sequel amps up the horror, adding more spine-chilling moments while diving deeper into the vengeful spirit of a character named Tirupati. The story begins with the angry spirit of Tirupati who was killed in the first movie. His restless soul seeks vengeance, targeting newlywed women in the village. This sends the frightened villagers into a frenzy and they turn to Shiv Shakti, essayed by Tamanna Bhatia, a spiritual healer, for help. Tamanna's character is central to the plot and her performance is the only highlight of the film. While she does not appear right at the start, once she enters, her intense emotional depth and determination steal the show, especially in the second half. Her sister Radha, played by Hiba Patel, also plays a key role. Though her screen time is limited, Radha's character is crucial in shifting the narrative in a new direction. Director Ashok Teja does an okay job of building suspense, though the screenplay could use some tightening. The visual effects VFX are decent but could have been better, especially for the ghost sequences. In a nutshell, Odella 2 starts with an interesting idea but does not quite live up to expectations. Tamanna Bhatia puts her heart into the role of a divine warrior, but the script does not give her enough to work with. Well, Zoom gives Odella 2 3 star rating. Well, now let's talk about Sinners. Ryan Coogler's Sinners is a triumph of genre fusion, an emotionally rich supernatural horror film that threads together racial history, familial trauma, and southern blues with a vampire mythology rarely seen through this lens. Set in the 1930s, Jim Crow era Mississippi, the film is equal parts atmospheric thriller and social parable pulsing with musical soul and moral ambiguity. With Michael B. Jordan in a dual role and a haunting score that shoulders its historical weight, Sinners is a horror film that is as horrifying as it is heartbreaking. It is beautifully shot, narratively ambitious, and thematically rich with frights, taking the spotlight but with an emotionally rich core. While it occasionally lingers too long in monologue or mood, its emotional core never falters. Sinner does not just ask what it means to survive, it asks what it means to live free. Zoom gives Sinners 4 star rating. Well, that's it for today. I hope you have selected your favorite pick of the week. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Zoom for more updates.